Hello and welcome to some other replace video about XRP. We start on the larger time frame, and our attitude is that the XRP chart remains in a bullish shape, as a minimum, as long as we're keeping above the 120 degree, plus minus some cents. So that is, however, key guide around the 120 place, and the fee recently dipped into this help vicinity. I mean, you could see that we will move it to the left. That was the promote off. There became an explosive move, unfortunately, to the downside, which every so often occurs within the altcoin sector, but it truly is why we normally display additionally the bigger time frame help ranges on the charts and the fee examined there. This key support location for a wave 4 and for bullish, upside fashion continuation, and I could still like to see one more excessive in this cycle, probable with a, let's assume, subsequent milestone goal across the 420 area, then the $5 place. And above that, we've got 660 as next relevant upside target, which might be for this fifth wave, a super target. Yeah. So kind of 425 greenback, 660 as key tiers, so long as the 120 level is holding. You could see this as a buying and selling range. Yeah. Basically, which means is you can, and that is best form of speaking, approximately what is probably affordable depending on how long the price continues to move sideways due to the fact you cannot do that for a while proper. XRP likes to do sideways movements. You can see what came about between 2022 and 2024. It might spend a while in that variety. So in case you're a dealer, and if you like range buying and selling, I could individually see the 120 stage as key support. And then you already know maybe 420 is the next target. And then you could use that as a variety to accumulate close to the lows and promote. As we are coming near that concentrate on, you in reality, if the circulate up is explosive and impulsive, you would possibly need to sell much less, because there is a probability then it maintains to transport up. But yeah, so this is kind of what I'm monitoring in the meanwhile here on the bigger time frame. This most effective gives you the general large time frame knowledge of, you already know what's going on right here in this chart, the overall context. And now we are going to move towards the smaller time frame. Quick records for folks who don't know yet. We have launched the day past our MCO global channel. It's our new important channel for MCO. This is wherein all of the communities will come together. There will be a video later today. I'm now not speak me approximately what it will likely be, but so it'll be distinct content material on there, exciting content. We test a little bit with a few unique standards with digital camera, with a piece of studies. Just check it out in case you're involved. The hyperlink to the channel is within the description and allows blow it up to 10,000 subscribers, please, subsequent. Let's see if we can do it. This goes to be a big, large channel. This is virtually going to be our predominant channel and home of MCO. More crypto online, by means of the way, will hold as normal. So you get your preferred quick time period, market updates. Now we are at the smaller time frame, and here we can see that from the low that fashioned at the 3rd of February on Monday, the flow up seems potentially impulsive. I don't get a totally clear 5-wave sample from the low. However, these 5-wave styles are normally had to get some clarity, but because the promote off here changed into so rapid, sometimes the shape from the low is a touch bit distorted. So when you get a totally fast promote off and a very quick healing, you already know matters can, without problems, let's consider things can effortlessly, appearance a little bit off, look a little bit distorted, and therefore it's simply essential to apprehend that the microstructure evaluation is constantly to be serious about a grain of salt. Yeah. Proceed with warning here. What is important even though is that we've got a key aid region to look at, and it's far, located between 195 and 235, and I cautioned in my closing update a likely microstructure evaluation. We talked about probably attaining this orange assist region with guide among $1.95 and $2.35. Seems like, as I file this video, the marketplace is simply running in this pattern, and the wave count number is being followed, despite the fact that I always say the microstructure isn't always so essential. Don't see it as too predictive. It gives us a roadmap, yes, however these are flexible. What surely matters is that the bulls flip up earlier than there is a sustained break below 195. So underneath 195, it will become extra. Possibly that the upside reversal attempt that began on Monday is failing. For now, I might not be surprised that we see some rapid downside movement, because this seems like a third wave to the disadvantage. And 1-3 waves are generally the most aggressive factors of a fashion. So what do we need as a first indication that a healing is happening? Well, I might say a wreck above the fashion line, followed by using a damage above $2.57. And then it turns into particularly probable that we may want to have started the following circulate up, and will circulate nearer in the direction of the 3.40 breakout point. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the replace. If you probably did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content material, then